Cognex ist seit über 40
For over
Jahren
40
ein
years,
zuverlässiger
Cognex has
Partner.
been a reliable partner to the industry. The collaboration between Trotec and Cognex was a good start right from the beginning. We have relatively fast decision-making processes in both companies in order to meet customer requirements as quickly as possible.
Gerecht zu werden.
Trotec and Cognex have decided to work together because, on the one hand, we have a laser with a patented safety concept that fulfills the requirements of the industry very, very well. And on the other hand, we have a camera system that has patented algorithms. For the InMarker project, Cognex has developed the DataMan 280 as a standard product. The strengths of the system that we are contributing here are patented algorithms that read directly marked codes, and especially directly marked codes very reliably.
Markierte Codes sehr zuverlässig lesen.
We are actually talking about read rates of up to 99.9% and have already proven this many times in industry, whether in the automotive or consumer electronics. One of the algorithms we use for this is the so-called power grid.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.